Hello, my name is CHEN. Today, me and my teammate Lim Lizi, Yu Yan, Sun Ziyi, Lo Ziying, and Wang Chongyi will be introducing a never-been-seen-before medical face mask, the Mask Mask. Mask Mask was born from a vision of adhering to caring for health and to create the most eco-friendly, breathable, and sustainable face mask. Wearing a face mask has become a norm, especially during the COVID-19. During the pandemic, our life has been shifted to adopting basic precautions, such as sanitizing our hands, social distancing, and most importantly, wearing a face mask. Mask Mask is developing the smartest and most sustainable smart mask. It has health data monitor and has multifunctional system. And most importantly, Mask Mask is environmental friendly.
Hey, do you know what will happen to every discarded mask piece? The consumption of masks has exploded globally. However, on the one hand, it protects us during the unprecedented time, and on the other hand, the environmental challenges induced by extensive use of masks has led to a mass pollution due to the lack of self-cleaning function of the current mask. He said that a shortage of face masks has resulted during this pandemic, which is primarily due to a surge in domestic demand and a major disruption to global supply. So how to address this problem? First, to overcome environmental challenges, the government is finding sustainable solutions to reduce this waste. Mask is constructed using 100% recyclable high-performance polymers to make the covering of the mask by introducing the figure of eco-friendly masks. Secondly, to alleviate shortage of masks, certifying the excess demand for masks and supplying sufficient quantities has become a major concern for government battling the pandemic. The mask produce reusable masks that have been properly designed and validated. It has potential for reusability and longer life in order to replace normal masks.
And next, I will talk about target market. We have decided to segment our market into two groups, which are geographic segmentation and demographic segmentation. And for our market targeting, we decided to use niche marketing because it is less competition, help business build brand loyalty, enhance customer relationship, as well as earning a high profit margin. And for marketing positioning, we decided to position our product as efficiency and sustainability because our mask is eco-friendly and reusable, and it has a lot of functions that make customer life easier and convenient.
I'm Z and I'm going to present a part for product and services. Mask is introducing a chic mask with transparent features. To begin, there are a lot of functions for mask. Firstly, Mask can help people to communicate by lip reading. It can mainly help deaf people easily to communicate with others without taking it off. Second, Mask can protect from infection by blocking large particle droplets, splashes, sprays, splatter that may contain germs like viruses and bacteria, as it is composed of 3-layer synthetic non-woven materials. This will help to reduce exposure of our saliva and respiratory secretions to others. Third, Mask Institute a new product that has new filter at the core that effectively filters 94% of particulate matter. It can filter away virus-carrying particles from inhaled and exhaled air by lowering the risk of infection, as well as it also has air purification filters with two-way protection and air exchange chambers with 2-speed dual intake fans. Besides that, Mask can also use a smartphone or laptop website to connect and function. Through our Mask app, it has multi-control buttons such as power on or off, fan speed, as well as Bluetooth pairing with smartphone. Other than that, Mask app provides 24-hour customer service for people who have extra questions regarding Mask.
So you guys must be very curious about how much will be the production of Mask cost. So basically, we need a total of 250,000 for the capital estimation to produce this high-tech mask. The startup cost that we need is 150,000 ringgit, while the growth of business that including all the staff and expenses, we only need a total of 100,000 ringgit. So as you can see from the table, in the first stage of our business, which is the first year, we will be not focusing on the revenue, but we will plan to use different ways to promote the function of mass to our target audience until the third stage of our business, which will expand internationally to reach out more and more customers, and in order to hit our target sales 1 million. We do have contingency plan as well, which you can take a look from the report. Overall, I believe mass can go really far with the amazing functions along with the revenue stream or marketing strategy that our company use. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Wong Chong Yi. Today I'll be presenting the investment and the use of fund for Mask. We'll be expecting to incur around 150,000, which is the startup capital for Mask. The first part of the 150k will be the 100k for the raw material. Firstly, we will be producing 3,000 units of Mask, which cost 30 ringgit each, so that's 90k in RM. And then the 10k will be used for freight charges and insurance. So this sums up to the 100k for the raw material. The 50k remaining will be used for other things such as leasing of machinery. The leasing of machinery is because we could not afford to purchase the machinery for producing masks, as according to Dahing, the machinery costs around 15,000 USD, which is 60k in RM. So we plan to lease it, and we plan to set aside 35,000 in RM, 35,000 ringgit for the leasing of machinery. And then we will be also setting aside 5k for marketing purposes, and 5k for depreciation, and maybe insurance for the workers and so on. And the remaining 5k will be used for cash flow purposes, whereby we have to incur emergency funds, emergency expenses and so on. So this sums up to the 150k that we need from the investors. Investors are urged to contribute to our company, because time value of money. Every day the money is shrinking, so the value of money is getting smaller each day. So if investors contribute to our company, we'll be able to generate more income for them in terms of dividend, or maybe the growth of share and so on. So we'll be requiring this amount of money also because we are a startup company and we don't have this amount of fund. Therefore, we strongly urge the investors to invest in our company. Thank you.